For our 5 days 4 nights in Osaka, we stayed at Hotel Intergate Osaka Umeda. The hotel is located in the Kyoto ward of Osaka, near the Yodogawa River. It is within a 5 to 10 minute walking distance from Osaka and Umeda stations. The hotel was very chic and modern. The lobby was very spacious, with a high ceiling and a large sofa. After we arrived, we checked in using a machine successfully. The corridors had different themes and colors, and some of them had plants and flowers. After walking along the corridor, we booked a double room that was available in smoking and non-smoking options. The double room had a full bed, a flat-screen TV, a fridge, and a kettle. It also had a safety deposit box, a closet, a private bathroom with a bidet, and bed linen and towels. The room was not very big but extremely clean and well equipped with basic utilities. The toilet and bath were white and clean, and the furniture and facilities were almost new. This made us feel comfortable. After that, we enjoyed snacks and drinks in the lounge. There was a wide variety of drinks, such as juice, tea, and water. There was a wide variety of snacks, such as cookies, crackers, and sweets. At night, there was an assortment of delicious drinks, including red wine, white wine, and original cocktails. We enjoyed a happy hour in the evening, with free snacks and drinks. The lounge also serves a free okazuke buffet at night. You can enjoy it around 8 p.m., after having some drinks. Okazuke is a simple and comforting Japanese dish that consists of cooked rice with green tea, dashi, a broth made from seaweed and fish, or hot water poured over it. It is also known as chazuke or chcha gohan, tea rice. It has a long history in Japan, dating back to the Heian period, 794-1185, when water was used instead of tea. However, later in the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, tea became more common and chazuke shops appeared as fast food places for the common people. Okazuke was also served as a way to revive leftover rice or as a palate cleanser after a meal. Today, okazuke is usually topped with various savory ingredients, such as pickles, seaweed, fish roe, salmon, scallions, and wasabi. It is often eaten as a quick meal or a light snack. It is also popular as a hangover cure or a comfort food when feeling sick. Okazuke is a dish that reflects the simplicity and versatility of Japanese cuisine. You can customize your own okazuke at the buffet with different toppings, such as pickles, chanja, a Korean dish, seaweed, sesame seeds, and salted kelp, for late-night snacks. The okazuke tastes like a simple and comforting rice soup with a hint of green tea or seaweed-like, fresh, bittersweet, and slightly floral flavor. It has a light and refreshing taste that is easy to enjoy when you feel a bit hungry and want to have light food. Then we went to the lounge area. The lounge area was a spacious and comfortable place, with soft lighting and cozy chairs. From check-in to check-out, we could use the Intergate Lounge during our stay. The local value gallery was a showcase of the local history and culture of Osaka, through books and art selected by book sommeliers. The gallery had 6 themes: Osaka nature, the city, people and culture, Kamigata arts, good food, and chic and laughs. We learned that Osaka is known as the water city because of its many rivers and canals, that it has a vibrant and diverse culture influenced by merchants and comedians, that it has a unique sense of humor and style. There is a digital art exhibition in the gallery. The theme of the digital art exhibition is Memories of Metropolis, which conveys the charm of Osaka through stunning images and lively sounds. You can listen to the voices of the people, and feel the atmosphere of the city. It had a big table and a coffee counter with graphic arts of canals and waterways. This was the map of Osaka, which showed the geography and landmarks of the city. On the same coffee counter, there was a wave pattern of ice katagami paper stencil printing, which was popular in Osaka during the Edo period. We had a nice cup of coffee. The specialty coffee is brewed with a fully automatic drip machine. On the 18th floor of the hotel, there is a fitness gym that you can use. You can do exercises while enjoying the Osaka city landscape, using various machines. After that, we went to the laundry room. There are 6 coin-operated washers and dryers. They look like new. There is a vendor that sells many types of soft drinks, such as cola, lemonade, tea, coffee, juice, water, and energy drinks. The prices are not cheap, but in a reasonable range compared to other places in the city. Some of them are sold at 140 yen, which is about $1.2 US. The hotel is located in a relatively quiet area, away from the noise and traffic of the city center. It is also easy to access the main stations, where you can take trains or buses to other attractions.